iPhone 13 mini. Apple's iPhone 13 mini upholds the tradition of compact yet powerful smartphones initiated by its predecessor, the iPhone 12 mini. This diminutive handset packs a punch with the cutting-edge A15 Bionic chip, ensuring robust performance across a range of tasks. Its compact form factor makes it easily pocketable and conducive to one-handed use, catering to users who prefer a smaller footprint in their smartphones. The 5.4-inch OLED display on the iPhone 13 mini continues to deliver crisp visuals with excellent color reproduction and viewing angles. While the design remains consistent with the iPhone 12 mini, Apple made noteworthy improvements in battery life. In Tom's Guide's battery test, the iPhone 13 mini exhibited over 1.5 hours of additional longevity compared to its predecessor, addressing one of the key concerns associated with smaller devices. The camera system received upgrades, featuring a 12MP wide-angle main camera and a 12MP ultra-wide camera with larger sensors for enhanced light capture. The addition of autofocus further contributes to the overall imaging capabilities. Apple introduced innovative features such as cinematic mode and photographic styles to elevate the photography and videography experience.